Hi students, welcome to my channel Annie Chemistry Classes. In today's session, I am going to discuss one of the very important and interesting topic of hydrocarbon. What is this? Hydrocarbons are the compounds containing carbon and hydrogen only. So we can say hydrocarbons are those organic compounds which made up of carbon and hydrogen only. The main source of hydrocarbons is fossil fuel like petroleum, coal, natural gas, etc. And some other another its derivative source of hydrocarbon like wax, some solvents and plastic also. Now the structure of representative hydrocarbons you can see on the screen. Aliphatic hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbons like alkane, alkene and alkynes. Alkane, alkenes and alkynes. Aromatic hydrocarbons you can see also on the screen like benzene ring. We will further study in detail about this. First of all, classification of hydrocarbon. Depending upon the types of carbon-carbon bonds present, they can be classified into three main categories. One is the saturated hydrocarbon, second is the unsaturated hydrocarbon, and third is the aromatic hydrocarbon. This classification we can also see in the table. Methane, ethane, ethylene, benzene. There are some hydrocarbon given in the table. Here some structural formula of this hydrocarbon also given and some ball and stick model of this hydrocarbon also given. Now further, saturated hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons that contain only carbon-carbon single bond is called saturated hydrocarbons. These includes open chain hydrocarbons as well as closed chain hydrocarbons. So saturated hydrocarbons categorized into two types. One is the open chain hydrocarbons and second is the closed chain hydrocarbons. These compounds are called saturated because they have maximum number of bonded hydrogen atoms. I repeat again, saturated hydrocarbon that contain only carbon-carbon single bond. This is categorized into two types. One is the open chain and another is the closed chain. If different carbon atoms are joined together to form a open chain of a carbon with single bond, they are also called alkane. I repeat again, if different carbon atoms are joined together and form a single open chain, they are called alkanes. For examples, you can see on the screen 2-methyl propane. It is also known as isobutane. Further, if carbon atoms form a closed chain or ring is called cycloalkanes. For example, cyclopentane. You can see on the screen. Now, unsaturated hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon multiple bond, double bond or triple bond are called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Depending upon the multiple bond, they are further classified as alkanes and alkynes. I repeat again, unsaturated hydrocarbons are classified into alkenes and alkynes. First of all, alkene. These are hydrocarbons which contain at least one carbon-carbon double bond. For example, ethene. In ethene structure, you can see here a single double bond present. Sorry, You can see here a one double bond present between the carbon-carbon atoms. Now in alkynes, these are hydrocarbons which contain at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. For example, ethylene. In ethylene, you can see here one triple bond present between the carbon-carbon atoms. Now aromatic hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons which contain at least one special type of hexagonal ring of carbon atoms with three double bond in the alternate position is called aromatic hydrocarbons, and there are a ring form. This ring is called aromatic ring. I repeat again, in aromatic hydrocarbons there are three double bond present in alternate positions, and the carbon atoms join together and make a ring. For example, toluene, orthoxylene. The aromatic compound may also contain more than one benzene ring. For example, if aromatic compounds contain two benzene rings, this is called naphthalene. And if aromatic hydrocarbon or compound like benzene ring join together, I repeat again, if three benzene rings join together, it's make a compound. This is known as anthracene. If two benzene rings join together, it's make a compound. It's known as naphthalene. Now we will study types of hydrocarbon in tabular form. First of all, saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons there are no double or triple bond present. It means in saturated hydrocarbons there are only single bond present. For example, propane. The first member of this saturated hydrocarbon is methane. Another member ethane, propane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, etc. Now unsaturated hydrocarbons like alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes have double bond and alkynes have triple bond. The first alkenes have double bond and alkynes have triple bond. The first member of alkene series is ethene and the first member of alkyne series is ethyne. There are another member of alkene like propene, butene, pentene, hexene, and the another member of alkyne series is propyne, pentyne, hexyne, etc. You can see a aromatic hydrocarbon on the screen. This structure is known as benzene ring. In this ring, 6 carbon atoms join together with single bond and double bond. The double bond present or located at alternate position, and in this ring 6 hydrogen atoms that are joined together with carbon atoms. Now you can see an example here, methyl benzene. Further, alkenes. Alkenes are saturated hydrocarbons containing only carbon-carbon single bond in their molecules. They are also called paraffins. What is the meaning of paraffins? The paraffins derived from a Greek word param and affins. Param means low, affins means reactivity. So we can say alkenes are those hydrocarbons which have low reactivity. At high temperature and pressure, they undergo some reactions. Alkanes are categorized into two types. One is the open chain or acyclic alkane. Second is the cycloalkane or cyclic alkane. You can see a structure on screen of cycloalkane. For example, cyclohexane. In cyclohexane, there are 6 carbon atom present and 12 hydrogen atom present. These 6 carbon atoms join together with single bond. Now, cycloalkanes or cyclic alkanes we also discussed. Now, open chain or acyclic alkanes. These are simple alkane without any closed chain and have general formula where CnH2n plus 2, where n is the number of carbon atoms. I repeat again, open chain or acyclic alkanes are those hydrocarbons or alkanes without any closed chain and they have general formula CnH2n plus 2. Now, cycloalkane or cyclic alkanes. These contain a closed chain or ring in their molecules. They have general formula CnH2n. So, we can differentiate between open chain alkane or cycloalkanes. The general formula of open chain is CnH2n plus 2 and the general formula of cycloalkane is CnH2n only. The examples of cycloalkanes you can see on the screen. One is the cyclopropane, another is the cyclobutane. Cyclopropane is the first member of this cycloalkane series. Structure of alkanes. Methane is the first member of the family. It has tetrahedral structure. So what is the meaning of tetrahedral? Tetrahedral is a structure in which one is the central atom present at the center and another substituent atom present at the corners. So in you can see on the screen the structure of methane. In methane, the first member of the family, it is tetrahedral structure involving sp3 hybridization. The 4 sigma bond is formed by overlapping of sp3 hybrid orbitals of the carbon and 1s orbital of the hydrogen. In this, carbon atoms lies at the center and the 4 hydrogen atoms lies at the corners of the it form angular tetrahedral structure. This angle is the 109.5. I repeat again, in methane tetrahedral structure, the carbon atoms present or located at the center and 4 hydrogen atoms located at the corners of the carbon atoms, and there are a angle formed. This angle is 109.5 degree. So thanks a lot. Please like my videos and subscribe my channel.